and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Samantha, and basically I'm a little bit of a mixed channel. I'm beauty and other crap basically, but I uploaded a video a couple of days ago which was recorded like a week ago, and don't know if you can see a bit of a difference. So I use the Apogee treatment because I don't know if you can see there is a bit of some length missing here, and if you see my last video I'll explain why and you'll see why. So I decided today that I don't really want to cut it, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to give myself a full fringe. So that will be my signature hair. So basically I'm going to keep my hair up, not wash it as often. It's stopped falling out now, which is good. That's not even straight. There we go. So I want about from there to be my fringe. I can't say it. Sorry, you have to excuse me, my hair is a little bit wet. There we go. So if I go from there, so you can see little bits. So the good news is it has stopped falling out, which is the really good news. Yep, this is going to be my signature hairstyle now for a little bit till it grows. But I figured the best thing would be for my hair to let it have its natural oils, really. So if I just play around with a fringe, so I want the side bits to kind of stay. I'm just going to cut this bit, I think, for now. No, why not? This is where I catch my eye. Right, I'm just gonna blow dry it. So I'm sorry for the noise. Like, I'm looking at myself right now, like by looking at me, I don't feel like I'm going to be 29 in a couple months. Again, I mention this in every single one of my videos, I am not a hairdresser, so do not think this is a tutorial. None of my videos have been tutorials, they're just me playing with my hair. And obviously fucking up a little bit. You can see it's very plain cut, so I'm just gonna going right in my eyes. Come for a little bit, just so it's not so sharp. Oh, it's off. Need to get a hairdryer on me, I'll tell you that much. So, I don't know. Let me get this in properly. So, there we go, that is everything. It's gonna be my go-to hairstyle, so I think I've done an alright job. This bit up. There we go. I like it, so I'm happy with it. There we go, done.